Hi friends, welcome back to my channel English with Tej. Let's make learning English simple and fun together. Do you also get stuck while speaking English? Do you forget words? Do you fumble while talking? Don't worry, you are not alone. This happens with many people, even with me. When I was learning, in this video, I will give you simple tips to speak better English without fear. Let's begin. First of all, it's okay if you get stuck. It's not a big problem. It happens to everyone who is learning a new language. So don't feel shy or ashamed. Say this with me. It's okay to make mistakes. I'm learning. It's okay to make mistakes. I'm learning. Say this 10 times every day. It will boost confidence in you. And be kind to yourself. If you stop because of fear, you will never improve. But if you try, you will get better day by day. Now, let's understand why this happens. We don't know the right word. We try to speak fast. We translate from Hindi to English. We feel nervous. We think too much. Do you do any of these? If yes, then let's learn how to fix them. You don't need to speak fast, speak slowly, speak clearly. Let me give you an example. So you might be saying, if you are talking very fast, "Hi, I'm Tej working in an office," which is wrong. So you have to take your time, speak slowly, speak clearly, and you have to say, "Hi, I am Tej. I work in an office." So like this, take your time, do not rush, but try to speak clear and learn every day new sentences. When you speak slowly, your brain has time to think and you will never get stuck. And don't try to use big grammar, use easy daily sentences. Example, I'm hungry, she is my friend, we are going to the shop. Practice every day 20 to 30 minutes, simple sentences every day. Speak them aloud. This will make you tongue used to English. So every day you have to read a book as well, at least half an hour, or maybe you can choose newspaper. So this is going to be a great habit to improve your English. And don't translate from Hindi to English. Try to think directly in English. Let me give you an example. When you wake up, say in your mind, "I am brushing my teeth, I am making a tea, I am going to work." The more you think in English, the faster you speak. Say it again. The more you think in English, the faster you speak. So here is the next tips for you guys. Talk to yourself in English in front of the mirror or while doing daily work. You need to say, "Today is a good day. I will make a tea. I have a meeting at 2 o'clock. This is a powerful trick. It builds confidence. And what next you can do? Practice with a friend or use role play. Here is an example. You need to say like, "Hello, how are you?" Then be yourself a friend and say, "I'm good. What about you?" Then you say yourself, "I'm fine. Where do you work?" Then you have to do a role play of your friend and say, "I work in a bank." So like this, you can be yourself at the same time and you can be your friend. So you have to do this role play and try to talk yourself. You can also write a short conversation and speak both roles. This helps in flow and fluency. So friends, today we learned it's okay to get stuck. Speak slowly and clearly. Use simple sentences. Think in English. Use fillers. Talk to yourself. Practice small talks. Remember, English is just a skill and every skill needs a practice and time. So don't stop. Don't be afraid. Keep going. One day you will speak fluently and confidently. If you liked this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe English with Tej for more simple English tips. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.